It's raining here in Dubai, Ramadan. First rain in Dubai. Yee! Here in Ariga. Hello.
What's up, yo?
Hey, what's up? You'll be in YouTube channel.
Hello, Habibi. Coming to Dubai.
Come to Dubai. Come to Dubai. It's raining. Yeah. Woo! The time now is 3:35 in the morning. No, it's 3:45 in the morning, and it's raining here in Dubai. And they're stuck outside, and it's raining. Hey, Kamal. Hey, Kamal. Mustafa. How dare you today? It's raining. Yeah. So there's a saying instead of huh? It will be uploaded in YouTube. First rain in Dubai, 3 a.m. It's 3:45 in the morning. Aywa. Dubai rain. What can you say about the first rain in Dubai? What can you say about the first rain in Dubai? It's first rain. Why? You took a shower in the here.
Shower in Dubai.
Aywa, first rain in Dubai. Hey, welcome the rain.
Of course.
Welcome the rain.
I love Dubai.
Aywa.
Come to Dubai.
Come to Dubai. Aywa. But it's raining. Why are you in the rain?
Running now. Alhamdulillah.
Why are you in the rain?
Ramadan, Kareem.
Aywa, this blessing, right?
This missing, yeah.
Yeah.
This one, Captain Harris.
Huh? Aywa, Captain. How are you? Captain of the ship.
Ship.
They are enjoying the rain here. Not so much, but it's already.
Bye, bye.
Bye bye.
Kamusta?
Kamusta mabuti?
Ano gusto mo? We're Instagram?
Yeah.
Snapchat?
YouTube. Yes. Yeah. They are stuck here. Aywa. There's a lot of people here a while ago, but now they are here. Yeah. Yeah, because it's raining. Aywa. Rain. Now, no more rain. A little bit. First rain in Dubai. This is cool. It's 3:45 a.m. So we experienced the first rain in Dubai. 3:45 a.m. On the spot. It's like a blessing, like a welcome for all the Muslim people, like they said, because it's Ramadan. Yeah, this is cool. Nice. Acha, what happened to you? I think something wrong with. Oh. That's the first rain in Dubai. Thank you so much.
Jordan!